Anzara Mansoor from 11th Humanities representing Blue House, and today I stand before you to share some words on a very important topic, which is leadership. Leadership is one of the most valuable quality a person can develop. It's not about holding a position of authority or giving instruction to others. True leadership is about setting an example through one's action, taking responsibility and inspiring others to work towards a common goal. In school, leadership can be demonstrated in many ways. A student who helps classmates, takes initiative during groups, activities, respect, rules, acts, responsibility is already displaying leadership qualities. Leadership begins with self-discipline because a person cannot guide others effectively without first learning to guide themselves. Great leaders are known not only for their intelligence but also for their integrity, vision, and commitment. They remain calm during difficulties, make thoughtful decisions, and encourage others to reach their full potential. A true leader does not seek personal recognition rather than focus on the success and well-being of entire team. Leadership is not limited to a select few. Every student has the potential to become a leader by being responsible, truthworthy, and willing to serve others. In small actions such as showing kindness, taking initiative, or standing up for what's right or reflect strong leadership. As future citizens and professionals, we must understand that leadership is not about power, it's about influence, responsibility, and qualities. Today we prepare ourselves to make meaningful contribution to society tomorrow. Let us strive to become leaders who inspire through character, guide through wisdom, and create positive change over actions. Leadership is about how effectively a person can shape direction, build trust, and help a group perform at its best. In the field of leadership, researchers often describe leadership as a mix of behavior, decision-making, and interpersonal skill rather than fixed personal trait. Leadership involves three things: direction, setting a clear goal or vision; influence, motivating others to move toward it; support, removing obstacles and enabling process. A leader does not always need to be the loudest or senior person. Often it's a person who creates clarity and momentum. Now I want to conclude my topic by saying some words which are given by John C. Maxwell. A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Thank you so much.